Okay, and we're back at it again. I think this is going well. You should be able to hear me live, and it looks like it's smooth sailing on the visuals. Turn the music down just a tad. Okay, so today is December 12th, and we're gonna do some Advent of Code 2025. And basically what it is it's usually 25 days where we're working on different codes, and the theme is usually it's usually Christmas theme type of puzzles. But for 2025 we're only going up to 12 days, not 25 days. So here we are on December 12th, trying to crack at least day one's code or puzzle. So we're just gonna take a moment to read what day one is about. Okay. It's a pretty long storyline, but kind of entertaining at the same time. Okay, so day one is the secret entrance. So the elves have good news and bad news. The good news is that they've discovered project management. This has given them the tools they need to prevent their usual Christmas emergency. For example, they now know that the North Pole decorations need to be finished soon so that other critical tasks can start on time. The bad news is that they've realized they have a different emergency. According to their resource planning, none of them have any time left to decorate the North Pole. To save Christmas, the elves need you to finish decorating the North Pole by December 12th. Well, we may not be finishing by December 12th, but we're gonna get started. So we're gonna collect stars by solving puzzles. 2 puzzles will be made available on each day. The second puzzle is unlocked when you complete the first. Each puzzle grants 1 star, and good luck. All right. So you arrive at the secret entrance to the North Pole base, ready to start decorating. Unfortunately, the password seems to have been changed, so you can't get in. A document taped to the wall helpfully explains, due to new security protocols, the password is locked in the safe below. Please see the attached document for the new combination. R14 is at 14, L82, and it's pointed at 32. Okay, so because the dial points at 0 a total of 3 times during this process, the password in this example is 3. Okay. So yeah, so we just have to calculate how many times the dial passes 0. So I'm gonna have to analyze the rotations in my attached document and what's the actual password to open the door. And so here is my list of rotations. And of course, they have some huge numbers in here too. R 887, L 816. But anyways, so this goes all the way down here. Um, yeah, that's a lot of code. So we're gonna actually try to use Google Sheets because I still have yet to set up Visual Studio and other platforms on this computer. So we're gonna see if we can use some formulas on Google or Excel, whichever you want to call it, and we're gonna go for it. Now, you are more than welcome to provide recommendations along this process of building out the code. So what I did is, so I downloaded this file and it's saved as a text file. So we'll see if we can upload it to the Google Drive. Let's see. Okay. Mhm. Let's get back to the music. Okay. Okay, so now that we have the file here, I'm gonna import it. And let's see. why isn't it? Why aren't you happening? Okay, we're gonna uncheck that. That might do it. Oh, it's already imported. Did not import. Give me a second while I'll import this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Let's see. Okay, so it has been imported. I put it as a new tab. Don't know why I did that, but it did that. So the next thing I want to do is separate the letters from the number. Probably don't have to do that, but we're just gonna do that. So, but we want to keep L. Oh, let's see how many rows this is. 4,000. Wow. Wow. It's a lot of columns. I mean, a lot of rows. Huh. Let's see. We might could keep that. Might insert a row. This will be our right, and the other one will be our left. Let's see. Okay, so we put R. And then want to make our lefts. There we go. Okay. Now it's just getting rid of stuff. Like data connectors. I've seen that before. Okay, so let's maybe move this over to C. And we're gonna try that again. And hopefully it doesn't get rid of. Okay. There we have it. That's our left rotation. Hmm. This is gonna be interesting to figure out. Yeah, it's like it's so many rows. Okay, so R means we're gonna add, and then left means subtract. I don't know what happened to like the rest of the spreadsheet. I didn't mean to do that. I don't want to do the sheet. Okay, so just insert some rows, some columns. It just looks very bare without the columns. So we're just gonna add some columns. Okay. Now, it was, so we know that it starts at 50. Yeah, so the dial starts at 50. So what we want to do is we want to calculate. So let's see. Yeah, it's going to be quite interesting. But if the B2 equals, then we want to add okay. So we want to go to D1. No. If 11 is empty, so we're gonna add 11. Else. D1 minus man, I haven't done these quite some time. I don't know if empty works, but let's go with 0 instead. Well, let's just start with the basics. Alright, so we went to the right. So we're gonna add 11. Okay. So that means we have 61. And I want to make note that it only goes up to 99. Okay, let's like this. Okay. Mm. Okay, so then the next one would be that makes sense. Yup, yup. Okay. All right. Now the part comes in. Um, actually, so it's gonna be 69. Guess it doesn't matter. Huh. Oh, so maybe if those matches, it can cancel out each other. Oh, yeah, I don't know about this. No, yeah. Okay, so 47. It goes to the left. So let's go. Oh, not negative. Okay, before. Hmm. E4 plus. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And that's the thing. So we gotta count 0 as a number 2. Oh, 16. Whoa, words. Okay, so 69 minus 20. Okay, so we ran into some problems here. So now we're in the negative 23. What is here? Oh boy. Okay, so we just passed 0. Oh, but it has to be at 0. But you know, I kind of want to keep going and see. The math is not mathing here. Okay, so this formula isn't what we need, but it's a good starting point. Still formulas. Okay, so now we're just gonna Google some answers on a possible way to utilize if then statements. see, rotation. We want to use like an if then for like a rotation. Okay, so we're just going to Google for a little bit of guidance on how I would essentially write this so that we're not getting these negative numbers. So this should be 2 minus 25, so you get 23. So I guess we could write if this value here is less than 0, then what we want to do is use that number plus those, so that number minus 100. I think that might give me my answer. Let's see if that's right. So 23. So 23 from 99. So 23 minus 2, 21. So you can't forget the 0. So the 0 will make it 20. So let's see if I did it right. 20 minus, how was it 100? Actually, I think 99 makes sense. I have 100. Okay. What did I do? Oh, plus 99. See, I think that's what they did. Yeah, that's what I get. So yeah, that should be the right number. It should be 70. So the dial should be at 77. So 2 plus 3. But 99. So 99 minus. That's not right. This ain't right. Yeah. That's not the right number. So you want 22 so actually we want to add, that's not the right number. So plus this number. Okay. Yeah. What's the number? Yeah, that gives you the number. So plus D5. Okay. Yeah. So the dial is actually at 79. Hope you guys are following. So when you do minus 23 plus 2, that makes it a negative. So this number right here. So let's put that so you guys can see. Okay, and then we subtract 2. This number becomes 0 now. So the position's at 0. So then you have to add 100 because 0 counts as a number. So when you go back 21 positions from 0 to 99, you should be at 79. So 79 was 20. Yeah. 79 plus 20. Let's see. 79 plus 20 equals 79 plus 20 equals the 99. But then when you add one more, because it says 21 right here, it goes to 0. Right? Yeah, it goes to the 0 position. Okay, and that's how you get 21. Yeah. 21, and then 22 will be at 20. So if you do 1, 2, the 0 is when it's at negative 21, right? But that's not what I want to show. I want to show that when it's at 0. Oh yeah, I think that's what I want to show. Yeah, I want to show that it was negative 21. So I can put that back over here. Then when the dial's at 1, that means it's at 22. Then when it's at dial 2, that's how you get the negative 23. Okay. Hey, so that's how we get to 79. But this isn't a sustainable code just yet, because we're not gonna try to calculate each one of these like that. But it's giving us a sense of how to create our formula. So, you know, I could do that for this one. Oh, but see, we don't even want to do that. We want to do, so this is actually the new number. We want to do the same formula. So we're going to take that number and we want to subtract this number, which gives us the new position. And then we're going to take this number and we want to add 50. Right? Right, so we get 89. This minus this. Okay, so we are stumped here. So we need to find a formula that allows it to get this positive number. Yeah, so we're gonna get stumped right here where it says 9. Well, maybe not. I don't think there's loops in the spreadsheet. I don't think it is. Right, I was looking up these if-thens. Might could do it. To add a number. Can we simplify the if? Okay, so we want this to be to say 79. And okay, let's just copy this. Let's see if we can use this if statement, which I highly doubt. Let's see. Make some placeholders. Oh. Do that. This might work. Let's see. Subtract 100. I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay, we got the number. We got the number. Oop. Hold on. Oh, the number's not gonna work. It's based on that number. That's funny. So we're gonna change. So we're gonna put 23 here. Let's change this to E6. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna copy this formula, and that should not cause any issues. Let's see. Reference. Oh, am I missing a parentheses? How am I missing a parentheses? That's close. That's close. Okay, that's close. 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 Mhm. Huh. I don't understand why it's not working. Oh, wait, wait, wait. 6, 5. Yeah, but it should work. Like, I don't understand. It's weird. Oh, it's referencing D6. I see. Oh, okay, I get it now. I get it. Huh. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, space that. And this needs to be substituted for D6. And okay. Oh, whoa. Oh, and hold on. Just all types of wrong. Yes, yes, okay. Ah, we got the right math now. So we probably want to do else if because um well if it's not then I think we would just take that cell and subtract it. We're gonna take D5 and then you want to subtract it from B6. Right? I think that might be it. Yeah. So 79 minus 40 gives us 39. Yo, that's right. Huh. Look at that. We did something. We did something there. Yo, a lot of hands up on that one. Okay, let's see if we got some music. Add some music. We were deep in thought on that formula. Um, so of course this is not gonna work. Yeah. Not gonna work. So we have to introduce some else ifs. Okay, so this is like just be checking the work. Check column. Yeah, we're gonna check some of that work. Okay, so we have 79, we have 39. So of course now we just need to add some else ifs or ifs. Yeah. Let's look up some ifs. I don't know if we're gonna get through the door. Okay, yeah. So it's just some ifs. So we're gonna say ifs. I don't know if I like ifs. Well, maybe we do like ifs. Hmm. Maybe we want to do else ifs. Okay, let's remove ifs. Okay, we're gonna take this and play on the other side. We're gonna delete this. Okay, so I was trying to find that button where you can search for formulas. Oh, here it is. Okay, let's see. There's probably some functions I can use here. So what are we doing? We are looking up ifs. Returns a I thought they used to have else ifs. Yeah. Or did they get rid of else ifs? I guess maybe it's just ifs. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Let's go on a new cell. Yeah, functions. Okay. Ifs. Okay. I'm not really liking this option. Oh, this might be a good pause. Well, that was a simple answer. Yeah, it should be 89. Okay, let's say ifs. So if that number is less than, then it does this. Okay, so I'm gonna say if this is greater than 0, then you want to do that. If it's equals 0, then we want to add the number that's plus this. Okay. Something didn't happen. Is it okay? Oh, that's why. Substance. Oh, I don't think I did that right. Let's just change it to B8. 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 Actually, I want to keep that. I want to keep this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. We want to check to see if that number is less than. Okay, yeah. Huh. Um, hmm. All right, I think that's a good stop right there. I would like to say thanks for joining me on this Vlogmas 1, where we code and try to solve the puzzle. Although we didn't get through all of the rows, but we're almost done. We're just making sure that the formulas make sense so that when I have to go back to count how many zeros there are, we can put that in and get the right answer. Of course, if you want to follow along or you have some suggestions on how we can find that answer using Google spreadsheets, I'm all open to those recommendations. Definitely write it in the comments below. And until next time, I don't know if the competition will still be going on or whether or not I can still input the answer. If it is still going on, maybe I can hop back on and we could just continue where I left off, even though the 12 days have ended. And other than that, till next time, thank you for joining today's stream.